This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. Beautiful 2-year-old home ready to move right in and enjoy and the features. Open concept from the kitchen to the great room. Kitchen has plenty of cabinet space with island, solid surface countertops, tile backsplash with 42-in cabinets and walk-in pantry. Spacious feel with the 9-feet ceilings. Gas fireplace to enjoy on those winter nights. Large master suite with full tile shower and raised double vanities. Main bath features double vanities as well. Private lot with no one behind on a 1/4 acre lot. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.